win. Um, can you take us through the game? It was a tough game, competitive.
Yeah.
Take us through the game.
Yeah, obviously, competitive game. We knew coming into here would be very difficult with the quality of players on this team, and I think we were able to, deny them some of those opportunities early on, and I think we stayed patient throughout the game, got our chance. We took our chance at the end of that first half, and then they got themselves back into the game in the second half. I think sometimes in those moments got to be a little bit more focused and not allow those things to happen. But you know what? Credit to the team, credit to Canada to fight through it and come back and score a great second goal. So very proud of the team. Very difficult, hard conditions, very hot. Yesterday we had the rain, today we had the sun. So really good character from the group.
Now that you have done, half the job is done. You're ahead. What's the confidence like going into your home turf?
Yeah, we wanted to come out of here with a result. We knew that, if we're able to achieve that, I think it would put us in a good position for the game back in Toronto. So the first phase mission accomplished for us, but we know that we'll have a difficult game in Toronto, and I think now we switch our focus in Toronto. We switch our focus to recovery, get the players ready, and focus to perform in that game.
Yes, coach. Those are basically equally contested game. What the thought made a difference for you?
Yeah, I think they had their opportunities. They had some moments, and I think for us we were able to take those moments when we had it, and I think that first goal we stole the ball and were able to find that ball into Johnny and take the lead. But they had their opportunities. They had some opportunities early, and I think in the end we were able to be a little bit more clinical in those moments, and I think that's what we did.
Okay, we'll go to Canadian media.
Based on what you saw, coach.
Can we go to Canadian media?
Yes.
John Molinaro, go ahead.
Thanks. Congratulations on the win tomorrow. Just wanted to get your sort of impressions of Stefan Eustachio, who obviously missed the last sort of international window, scored the winner today, and pretty influential, I would say. No.
Yeah, Steph had a really solid game. I think if you've been watching him at Porto, he's been doing really well. He's in great form, and I think when a player is coming out of their club teams with that type of form, and they're able to transform it into the national team, you see his quality. So great second goal, starts the play, arrives late and finishes the playoff. So very proud, very happy for him and the boys and their commitment to this win.
Joe Callahan, go ahead.
Thanks. Congratulations, Mauro. Mauro, I just wonder, kind of chatting to the players afterwards, what was their view of the free kick incident and the whistle, the referee's whistle? What were the conversations they were having with the referee after, and what was your view of it, I guess?
Yeah, obviously, I didn't review that. The players asked for the whistle, and they took a quick free kick and were able to catch us. Unfortunately, they allowed the goal, but again, great character to come back in that game under this heat, to show what we're capable of doing, and I think very proud of them to be able to get that second goal and take us now to Toronto.
Ben Steiner, go ahead.
Hi, Mauro. Just on the set pieces, it seemed like you guys weren't necessarily connecting as the team has in the past. Davies on the set pieces, what was behind that decision, as well as just the general struggle on connecting on offensive set pieces?
Yeah, I think, obviously Davies is a left footer on the ball, so from those parts of the field, we want a left footer to deliver. They're a big team. They're some big boys, and sometimes in set pieces, you want to get a body, you want to get positioning, but at the end of the day, sometimes it's difficult when there's some mismatches in height. But you know what? Credit to the boys. They defended them well. They got their body when they needed to get them off balance, because they had some big boys, but in the end we didn't concede, and for sure there's always moments that we could do better in terms of our set pieces.
The speak of the conditions, how was your team able to adjust to heavy rains yesterday when the match was supposed to be held and having to come back this morning, bright sunshine, and playing in this intensity?
Yeah, I mean, look, that was very difficult. I mean, for us, you know, waiting around yesterday, the anxiety of is the game on? Are we going to play? You know, I think as a player, you try to keep your focus, your calm in your preparation, and then finally the decision's made, and now you're playing early morning, and it's a totally different environment, totally different conditions. You know, the fans, obviously, even the heat. So, look, they're experienced guys. They're guys that have gone through this, and you know, you ask for their experience to come through in these moments. So I think that's what we saw from the team, and we were able to pull through. So, you know, yeah, it's not easy here, and we're very happy to have gotten the win here in Jamaica.
Last question, John Molinaro.
Thanks. Mauro, I know it's not about you, it's about the team, and this is a huge result. But it's also, you know, your first win as a coach, you know, as a former international player. I just wanted to get your sort of feelings about, you know, what this special moment means to you.
Yeah, special for sure. First win. Just for me, just for representing this country, it's an honor. It's an honor every day to be able to work with this group, and you know, to make our fans proud, because that's my job in the end. And very proud of the group, very proud of the team. We knew it was tough, and we showed a lot of resilience today to come out here on top. And you know, and now we got to finish the job back home.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. No, we're done. Sorry.
Coach Marno,
Thank
Yeah.
Just a question for you before you go. All right, so Elite Sports, Ryan LFC and Elite Sports. The question is, threats. What were some of the threats or the weakness of the Jamaican team that you were able to exploit during today's matches?
Yeah, I think you know, early on, you know, they were very aggressive out wide on Buchanan, Davies. So, you know, for us it was important that we were able to stretch them in different moments, get behind them. And I think once we started to stretch them a little bit more, then we started to find the ball underneath. You know, Estacio getting on it, Kone, Mac. So it's that type of variety in our movements to open them up. And I think when we started doing that, I think we started to get more success and more chances to goal.
Final question,
No,
Coach, for Tuesday's game going forward now. How do you won today? How do you maximize on that to make sure that you secure your victory?
Yeah, we know there's very good players on that team, very good players. We know that those players could change the game at any moment. So it's about the same focus, the same mentality. It'll be about our fans behind us. So we know that we got to get the job done, play our way of playing in our home field, and with the right mindset, and taking care of the rest of the mission, because we're halfway there.
Coach
Thank you very much,
Marno,
Coach.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
We'll just get you to go to Max.